Hello everyone, it's me, Louis Corpuz. We are here in Middle Rakwari at home, and I just did a little striking training. Later we're just gonna walk going to there again, Camp Allen next. So I'm just gonna try to show you something. If you feel like training, just search Louis Corpuz YouTube home training. So we're just gonna do simple jab, straight, weave, elbow. Or jumping knee. Jab, straight, weave, jumping knee. There. So it's nice also to do little simple exercises. Striking Muay Thai exercises are the best. It's for self-defense, it's for fitness, so it's the best exercise. This is our home in Middle Quarry. I'm gonna walk again from Middle Quarry to Camp Allen. So gonna show you some different view, different places. So let's go. Hello everyone. So we're leaving Middle Quarry. We will be going to Camp Allen again with my mama. Thanks for everything, ma. We love you. YouTube. Thanks for everything, ma. We love you, mama. Sige mama, paano ko ni? Let's go! So we're going down here. This is Middle Quarry going to Lower Quarry. It's the shortcut. I walk this every day. Adidas. So we're going up. We are now in City Camp. That's Lower Rakwari. We're walking going up to City Camp proper. Let's go. This is City Engineering Office. This is like the big canal here in City Camp, Baguio. So we have some salon here. Salon. We also have bakeries, bake shops. Mutsopan. We're already here in overpass. Let's go up. It's closed because they're painting. I'll show you the view. That road is going to Legarda Road. This one is going to Abanao Road. There. It's McDonald's. Insular Life. This is Baguio City Hall. So, let's go. We are already here. That's Baguio Fire Station and CIDG. This is Baguio City Hall. So we are already here. Camp Allen, Baguio City. So it was a good walk. We are already here, Camp Allen. Santo Niño Chapel. We came from Middle Quarry, so let's just say a little prayer. Thank you for watching, subscribing. More blessings to all of us. You can also send some super thanks. This is the church. Let's say a little prayer. More blessings to all of us.